Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Windows Server RDP connectivity on a VDS, full guide step by step clearly. To verify Windows Server RDP connectivity on a virtual dedicated server, start by ensuring that your server is powered on. Log into your virtual dedicated server management console. Check that remote desktop protocol is enabled on the server. Open the Windows Server and locate the System Properties window. Click on the Remote tab and ensure Allow Remote Connections to this computer is selected. Next, check the Windows Firewall settings to ensure Remote Desktop is allowed. Navigate to the Control panel, then select System and Security. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. Select Allow an app or feature. Open the command prompt on your local machine. Type ping, your server's IP address, to check basic connectivity. If the ping is successful, proceed to the next step. Open the Remote Desktop Connection application on your local machine. Enter your server's IP address in the computer field. Click Connect to initiate the remote desktop session. If prompted, enter your username and password for authentication. If the connection is successful, you will see the server desktop. If you encounter issues, double-check your credentials. Verify that the server's IP address is correct. Ensure there are no network issues between your local machine and the server. If you still face difficulties, check your internet connection. Consult with your hosting provider if necessary, as they can provide additional support. Once all steps are confirmed and connectivity is verified, you have successfully checked RDP connectivity on your VDS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any request. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.